Buenos dias. I'm leaving Paracas today to Huacachina, and I would like to show you the bus station here. Because it has this nice outdoor waiting area. I wonder what they are, like hotel. And on the other side is purely desert. Like when I was here 2 days ago, I felt like I was in the middle of nowhere. I saw that I could walk to my hotel in 7 minutes, but I just couldn't find my way. This is the bus station. It looks pretty tiny. And let's go outside and take a look. There's a taxi driver waiting for business. Yeah, but they don't have like a proper taxi here, I guess. See? There's a piece of desert right there. Look at it. Looks pretty scary. If you walk all the way up and then make a turn, that's the main street. The taxi here will charge you 10 soles. If you can find a colectivo, they will charge you 5. And today, I came with a taxi and they charged me 6 soles. This is the first floor of the bus. It is more spacious and it's a bit more expensive, but it only has a few seats. Previously, I bought the single seat over there. But the driver said that there's no one's here, so I can sit on this side. It is definitely more spacious, but it doesn't have any compartment up there. So if you have any belongings, you have to put it right in front of you. Finally, I'm in Huacachina. Let me show you my room. It's a very, very big room. A double bed. Washroom, there's a shower inside, very clean, very bright, and it also has a balcony, and there's a swimming pool which belongs to the hotel right next to this place. And then you can see that's the desert. My bus can only take me from Paracas to Ica. It took around 1.5 hours, and then I need to take a taxi from Ica to Huacachina. It has a lot of tuk-tuk in Ica, but the road is a little bit chaotic, and I was glad that I finally found a taxi, and he charged me 12 soles, which is around $3. The most important thing in Huacachina is to do sandboarding. Now I have to look for a tour and then find something to eat. Can anyone tell me what the hell is that? Like... Basically, Huacachina is an oasis. Outside, it's a little bit chaotic, but inside, as you can tell, it's very, very touristy. See all this souvenir shop. Oh, is it a church or a municipal building? No, it's a hotel. But look at that. It's so pretty. Oh. And that's the lake in the middle of the desert. Oh, be careful, kid. You see the people up there? I think they're doing sandboarding. It's a little bit sunny now, isn't it? Since the weather is so nice, I put on some self-tanning lotion. Basically, this place looks like a park. All the restaurants here seems like they are out of business or they are very busy. So I come to this hotel. This place looks so classy. See? Fried rice is everywhere in Peru. I ordered this chicken fried rice. I ordered a chicken fried rice. It sounds odd. Come here to eat fried rice, but they don't have many choices here. Surprisingly, it is very tasty, especially the egg. I will try this hot sauce. Yeah, I think it's a hot sauce. Oh. It's a little bit spicy. Nothing. Let's take a look of this hotel. It's so pretty. It's an old house. I just asked the waitress. Maybe it is from a very wealthy family. Those are the rooms. Well, actually, it looks like a school to me. Let's go sandboarding. The entrance is $360. Wow, such a big ticket.
Tú vas a llevar los 11. 2 más 13 son 5.
It is super chaotic. So many people. It's a weekday. I love my water shoes. God, I'm in the desert. Sandboarding time. Okay. That's not scary at all. I love it. All of us.
Ya, así nomás, está bien.
¿Sí?
Sí, así nomás. Ok, ok.
Back to the starting point, the view looks totally different. Look at this. So many people. The sand is so soft. When you go down, it's okay. When you climb up, it takes a lot of effort. You know what? I want to sit here for a while. I think you can bring your own sandboard or rent one and then slide down from the top, or without a sandboard like them. Yeah, they just pull the kid down. Okay, check my shoes. Wah! I cleaned it up once already, but still. I'm so glad I have my water shoes. And the other one. Ooh. I wish it is gold. In my tour, there's a family brought a little kid with them. It's quite dangerous because the kid cannot have her own seat and fasten the seatbelt. Basically, she was keep crying. Wow, it's very, very dark. I don't think I can film anymore. Maybe along the lake. Let's go take a look. Can you guys see the star? It's quite bright, eh? As a person with no direction, I didn't bring my phone with me because this place is just way too tiny. And lots of shops are open. Nothing at the lake right now. Well, the street light is so bright. Fantastic. For the tour, I paid $25, which is like $6, and then another $1 of entrance fee. Mostly they charge $30 or $35. I didn't ask for discount. The owner gave it to me, and I saw other local people, they pay $30. Seriously, right now. Well, but there's nothing to do here at night. I think I'll go back to my hotel first and then come out again because I'm full of sand. Yeah. Se llama raspadilla.
Raspadilla.
With your glasses.
¿Eh?
This is called raspadilla. It's their local drink, but I cannot drink it right now, as you can see. I have to let it melt a little bit. ¿Cómo se llama? ¿Cómo se llama? In the next episode, we will take a small plane to see the Nazca lines. Remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share. I'll see you next time. Bye!